I am frequently asked, what is the difference between an arc and a curve? An arc is part of a perfect circle and can be digitized just doing 3 points. The beginning, anywhere in the middle, at the end, and I get great arcs. A curve is a line that is continuously changing, and we digitize that by simply digitizing points along the curve, and we will get, my software will put a nice smooth curve through those points, giving you exactly what you're looking for. So there's done that, done both sides. Now if you add in the lines, with lines, arcs, and curves, I can digitize anything. So here I have an arc, a curve, a line, and a curve. So let's digitize that. I come in here with the arc, 3 points for the arc. I now switch to a curve, do those points along the curve. I now have a line, do that point there. I have a curve at the end. I am all finished. I got a great outline.